Look at all this crap. Look at all of this lack of organization. There is stuff on the floor pouring off of. I don't know why you would call this a workbench, because you can't get any work done on this. This is called a junk bench. There's a table saw hiding underneath there. There's my miter saw. Here's another workbench that's just got stuff. I got shelves just pouring stuff. I've got insulation that should be in the walls, but it's on the floor. I've got a shelf in the middle of a room with just rags, a pair of jeans, more insulation that could be in the walls, but it's on the floor. Bags, boxes. This is unreal. I mean, how did I let this get this way? We've got to do something about this. I need your help. If you've got any comments, comment below. Outside of pouring gasoline and just dropping a match on this place, we got to get some shelves going on in here. I think we're going to move this shelving system here and move it over here above this. It's not even a workbench, it's a storage bench. We're going to get a French cleat system up here on the wall. We've got this insulated. We've got some OSB over here. Grizzly, what do you think? Huh? Should we get a French cleat system going? I think we're going to get a French cleat system up here on the wall. We're going to get these tools off the counter and out of the cupboards and from pouring out all over these benches and shelves, and we're going to get them up here on the wall. So if you've got any ideas, comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're ready to see how we're going to turn this nightmare into hopefully a thing of beauty. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one when we start putting up our French cleat wall back here. Thanks for watching.